Welcome back to my channel, and today it's not about fish and chips. Myth: cats are harder to house train than dogs. False if you define house training correctly. When I say house training, I mean teaching where to pee and poop. By that definition, most cats are actually easier. Here's why. Cats have a natural instinct to bury their waste. Kittens usually learn from mum by 3 to 4 weeks. So when I bring home a kitten, I'm not teaching the bathroom. I'm setting it up so they can't fail. One roomy litter box per cat plus one extra. Unscented clumping litter. Quiet spot, easy access, always clean. That's it. Many cats use the box on day one. Dogs, totally doable, but it's a human time investment. I set a schedule. Out after waking, after meals, after play. Every 2-3 hours for puppies. I supervise like a hawk. I reward outside immediately, like party-level praise within 2 seconds. I use a properly sized crate to prevent accidents, never as punishment. For most dogs, it's solid in 2 to 6 weeks. Small breeds often take longer due to tiny bladders. So why do people think cats are harder? Because when cats miss the box, it feels mysterious. But there are patterns. Cat misses? I run this checklist. Is the box big enough? Nose to base of tail long. Is it clean? Scoop daily. Full change every 2 to 4 weeks. Is it easy to reach? No scary lids, no laundry machine thumping. Does the cat like the litter texture? Many prefer fine, unscented, any pain. Sudden accidents can mean a urinary issue. Call the vet. Fix those, and most hard cats become, oh, that was simple. Dog accidents? I manage the environment. Leash indoors or use a playpen so sneaky spots aren't an option. Take out on a timer, not on vibes. Reward big outside. Clean indoor mistakes with an enzymatic cleaner so the smell doesn't call them back. Apartment life? Cats are often easier. No 2 a.m. elevator rides. Busy weekday. A dog can still succeed, but I plan for midday breaks. Edge cases happen. Some rescued dogs come pre-trained. Bless those angels. Some cats need a second box or a quieter corner. Seniors of both species may need pads, ramps, or more trips. Bottom line, cats aren't harder, they're different. For elimination alone, cats tend to be simpler once the setup is right. Dogs need more reps and owner involvement, but the steps are clear and the wins are fast when I'm consistent. Quick start. Cat, set 2 big, open boxes. Unscented litter. Quiet corners. Scoop daily. Dog. Schedule. Crate sized right. Immediate rewards outside. Enzyme cleaner inside. With the right plan, both cats and dogs can be house trained. No drama required.
You ready? So